guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some new parts I got in the mail, so let's get right into it. But first, let's take a look at the car. Now guys, I'd like to introduce Excessive 2. He's going to be helping me unbox today, so I'm going to show you all the parts I got in the boxes. This one I ordered first, and then this one just came in yesterday. So we're going to do some unboxing now, so let's get right into it. So first, we got my rear diffuser. It actually sits like this. You can see the whole thing. So this one actually has to be altered some. Actually the lip here has to be like trimmed off. So we have to do that before we install it. It's also going to be wrapped. Color coming soon. But so this is the first part we got here.
Alright. Next one.
It's starting to rain. Yeah, I don't have claws, so. Is your knife?
Yeah.
Coming in clutch. Oh, I don't know about this. Okay, so now we got the front lip kind of sliding. It's going to drop me down in the front. So this goes around the whole front bumper. This is what I was talking about in the last video. I'm going to have my new splitter sit under this. But yeah, here's this again. Again, this is going to have to be wrapped. So stay tuned to my following videos to see what color. But yeah, so here's this. So we got my two side skirts now. These are going to go on each side of the car. Again, wrap color coming very soon. These are going to drop me lower on the sides. So there's those. Okay.
What's next?
Now, next part, let's turn it this way. Ooh, big box. Knife, sir. Alright, so we got the Hellcat hood. It comes with like the vents and everything. This is going to be wrapped too. Color reveal.
This is the Hellcat hood?
Hellcat. Yeah, so we're going to have a baby cat coming soon. So let's go ahead and get a closer look. Right here, you can see the vents and everything. You can see there's a couple nicks in it, but as soon as it's wrapped, you won't be able to see any of that. Even if we were to, we could just cover it up a little bit, sand it down a little bit, but right now it actually feels really smooth. Then we have the side skirts right here. These I already tested and saw that they did fit pretty well, just over what I already had. This front piece right here, it gives it more of an aggressive look with the openings here. I may actually put extra lights on the car, so maybe in those openings, like light bars or something. I haven't decided yet. There's that. And then my favorite piece is the rear diffuser, just because it's going to drop me lower and it's going to allow for me to go the dual exhaust. So there it is. Simple as that.
It's gonna look way better.
Way better.
It's gonna sit lower, right?
Sit way lower. Alright guys, so I asked some questions on my Instagram, on both of my Instagram, my personal and my car account, to see if you guys had any questions for me, so here they are. First question is, would you like to build a classic truck next? Obviously, if you know me, you know that the truck scene is more my thing than even cars are. So yes, I would love to build a truck. A C10 is my ideal vehicle, and I already have some ideas up here. Obviously that's way in the future. I'm going to focus on this thing for a little bit, but yes, I would love to build a truck. Next question is, will you be doing other stuff on this channel besides car stuff? Yes, I will. I just need some more suggestions. I already got like a boyfriend tag suggestion and stuff like that. I just have to convince him. But other stuff that you can see on this channel, like if wanted, I could do like makeup stuff, even though I'm not that good, but I could do stuff like that. And all different kinds of ideas. Next question I have is, at what age did I start driving? Okay, so this one's kind of hard because I don't really remember. I think I was 16 when I got my license. I waited a little bit to get, or actually I was 16 when I got my permit. I want to say I waited a little bit just because I was kind of scared to start driving, and then as soon as I started driving, here I am driving super fast and stuff, so I don't know why I was so scared, but I think it was 16. Next question is, what is your favorite thing about your career? So I am an escrow processor. A lot of people don't understand what I do, but my favorite thing about my career is that there's always room for growth, so I could literally move up in the company no matter what position I choose to go. Next question, okay, that's not a question. Someone wrote, love your energy. Thanks, bud. Next question is, what is your favorite type of food? I love any kind of Asian food, and I love Mexican food, so those are probably my two favorites. Yeah. Next question is, how tall are you and how old are you? Well, I'm like 5'1½". Sometimes I'm 5'2", depends on the doctor, I guess. And how old am I? I'm 22 years old, and I will be turning 23 in October. And last question is, why did you get a Dodge Dart? Well, this is a good one. So the reason I got a Dodge Dart was because I fell in love with a Charger, and unfortunately they would not let me get the Charger because they were like, that's too much power for you. So I ended up being suggested a Dodge Dart, so I started looking at that, going through that route and looking into it, and I ended up falling in love with the Dodge Dart once I drove it, and I was like, wow, I really like this. And I wanted to do something like unique with my build. I didn't want to have something that everyone else had, so I went with the Dodge Dart so that I could be unique with my build. So yeah, so those are my questions. This is my video. Pretty much it was an unboxing video and then a couple questions you guys had. So I just wanted to finish that up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and come back next time for the next video. Peace.